Now, these are paddy people cultivated usually whenever I am at home. That time usually I hang out with my friend. He's my local people, and it is, you can say that, different religions ग्रियर्ड यू कैन से दैट. इसको ग्रियर्ड आपको इसको हिंदी में आप कब्रिस्तान बोल सकते हैं. जो डिफरेंट यू नो कम्युनिटीज ग्रियर्ड बट नॉट आवर. या see, and due to water, due to rain becomes log water log. Yeah, the people, and after a long time that one person came yesterday. I think he came, so that's why we met while coming time. That time we thought that let's try to visit our friend home. So he also agreed that yeah, I also came yesterday. So actually for a long time I couldn't meet with anyone, so it would be better if we hang out together. So finally we decided. See, it is a cow. It is a cow. Yes, they are discussing. What they are discussing, I'm unable to understand. They are discussing in their native language. Due to their native language, I'm unable to understand that few words. Yeah, I know. I also come from their communities, their religions, but I speak different mother tongue. Yeah. See, and usually people who live in village, so their cows, whatever animals they keep at their home. So usually after morning, they keep all. See, his uncle. Yes, like that. Sometimes maybe earlier it was very good place, but now I don't know. After raining, it became everywhere waterlogged. Yeah, but now see, yeah, little bit cloudy is there. It might rain today. Yeah, maybe 90 or 90%. I'm sure that it will rain. After sometimes it will stop. Yeah. I also, when I was at Kerala, so that time I was not getting time to hang out with friends or go anywhere. Oh, see there, what is this? That one is buffalo. See, buffalo. That one is buffalo. Yeah, what you are saying, brother? You wanna say something? Say. No. Yeah, say. You are my brother. He is my cousin brother. He looks like elder than me, but he is very younger than me. Maybe 5 or 6 years old, younger than me. But that one, you know, looks like my same age. But last year he got married. Last year, no, brother? Yeah, last year he got married. Last year he got married. Don't laugh, brother. He is trying here. Don't worry, brother. Now he started laughing now after learning. So them, what you can do? After got married, now he is having one, nephews, very good nephews. Previous video I have uploaded. Just try to visit that one. You will get to know that how, I can say that beautiful daughter he has. Yeah, actually that one is my nephew. Yeah, Nessie. Waterlog. Like that. Yeah, I think, actually I think, I don't know, I know pretty well who comes from city, who lives in city. Usually they don't know how, this, whatever they have cultivated, how it will come, like that. See, that one is paddy, it became like that. He will be here, brother, don't worry. Only her. My brother, now I'm going to introduce with my brother.
Hello, good morning everyone. You keep and support my small brothers, all channels.
Yes.
And this time I am going to my favorite friends meet after 3 years after ago. Ago.
Yeah.
Then I can go to this way. This way is very dangerous, and water and grass and different types and animals is very dangerous.
Yeah, and yeah, and I know, guys, you are laughing at my brother. I know that now he is struggling. He's trying to learn this language. I'm pretty sure that now it means he is First time, I was not aware that he can speak better than many people, because having good degrees or doing practice, they are unable to speak these days. But first time I gave chance to him, but he spoke it very nice. It means grammar here is that it's not necessary, because it's a speaking. Like if you are understanding what he told, what he spoke, it means communication is good. Yeah. So okay. So brother, you didn't tell your name.
Oh, my name is Tudu.
Yeah, Tuddu. His name is Tuddu. My name also Tuddu. Okay. Because he is my elder brother. That's why our nickname is Tuddu. Yeah, Tuddu. So now, brother, where you used to live?
I'm live from Calcutta.
Calcutta.
Live India
Yeah.
from the Bangladesh.
Yeah. Other. He see always time whatever my brother wants to speak, always time he try to put his thought. It means in camera always he gives hint like that. Yeah. So over there, brother, what do you do over there?
Nothing.
Study as well. Work in company like that.
I'm
Yeah.
part-time is study and different types of work.
Yeah.
And one suppose hotel management, like this work is very interested. I am
Yeah.
some years I am working in one Korean restaurant.
Okay. Korean restaurant.
Yeah, many types of food I am prepping,
Okay. Yeah.
cake and bakery items. You can come and you can eat. I am making kimchi fried rice and octopus, different types.
Okay. It means my brother knows everything, because 1 year or 2 years you worked there, brother. How many years?
2 years.
2 years you
Yeah,
worked. It
yeah,
means we can assume about that if anybody works in different places, if anybody spent 2 or 3 years, it means that person had good knowledge about that field. So yeah, as my brother told that he knows everything, different varieties, Korean style in hotel in Kolkata. Yeah. So like that work he's having. So whatever you are doing, brother, keep doing. I'm pretty sure that you will be able to speak English very soon. Now you are speaking. See, small children. They
Going to school.
they are going to school now.
Morning time.
They are about to go school. See. Yeah. See. And I know that they are not only kids. Now they are started studying. It means they are, future of our nation. Yeah, like that. At village area, they keep different animals like that, but it's okay. And here also we used to come when we were when we were kids, like that. Now we will show you where we are going. So till now, just keep watching these videos. I'm pretty sure that see that boy, what is name? I'll try to ask. It is flower, and it's very beautiful flower. But usually I saw in cities, in town also, usually they keep in a basket, mud basket. But this is very different, big. That one flower, if you know what is the name of that flower, kindly drop in my chat box. I will see like how much knowledge you are having. Yeah, now we have to cross. There is a main road. Across the road, his house is there. There is his house across the road. So we have to cross the road. Then only we can reach my friend's house. Okay. So maybe burger tree, no? It is burger tree. A burger tree if it is a burger tree, if you know that Hindi, we usually call in Hindi burger tree. If you know what is the name in English language, so kindly put your thought in my comment box. Yeah. And like that also you can do. And I know that you are not enjoying by watching my videos, watching my all videos. I know that you at least there would be something which one I had spoken previous videos, but now also I am speaking. I know that you are getting some benefit. It's not like that that always time is speaking, just time is speaking. I'm not giving any kinds of knowledge. It's not like that. I'm always try to give different kinds of knowledge. I know that having a conversation with anyone it's very easy, but try to daily basis vlogs, it will help you, it will enhance your knowledge like that. I know that pretty sure as well I that when we try to explain about whatever we are doing, so our everything will be better. There is a main road, vehicle is going on the road. It is the waterlog. Into the waterlog you can see grass, different grass are there. One of my brother is coming now. See, he is. I'm also meeting after a long time. I will say. I'll talk to him few minutes. He is busy. I think he's talking to someone. Yeah, he might be talking to someone. It is main road. Usually we go anywhere, so we have to get a bus from the. See, auto is coming now. There also fully waterlogged due to rain. Yeah, since morning I haven't taken bath, so that's why I wanted to get my hair cut, but due to rain I couldn't go to market. Yeah, like that. Yes, and I'm going to show you the road and see. And I don't know government when they elect what we can call polls come, so that I'm always request to public that kindly give me vote. But after getting vote win the election poll, they don't take care where we have to repair the road or like that. See, it's been since I born till now, it's like that. See, it is very difficult to go any like marriage function or any time. How they will go, people? Very difficult to go. Hi, right now I'm in Pineapple Garden. Pineapple, it will take maybe 9 months or 10 months. After that we will get it pineapple. When I was Kerala, so that time it is too much expensive, but here is very cheap. I can say the price not much high. You will get it within 5 rupees or 10 rupees like that. One big one, 1 kg pineapple. Okay. It is a tea garden. It is yesterday actually I went to river, near to river. So there also my uncle's tea garden is there. So yeah, definitely I'll show you when I'll go that area, when I'll visit. But right now this one is not ours. Different other people, they have cultivated this one. Tea garden has been cultivated. Yeah, 5 or 3 years, more than 8 or 7 years ago. So that's why now became very big, like a tree like that. Yeah, this one part. Now already they cut it, they sold. But this one part usually, this one part they will, they will sell this one. This one not only total, only this one they will tea garden. After after taking this one, who takes usually who purchase, so they will. If they have company or facilities, how to prepare, how to make in convert in green tea or red tea, usually like that they will do that. Otherwise you can dry under the sunlight also, and you can prepare tea, you can add in your tea like that. So now new home, it is, I can say that a new home. They started building construction work here. 5 or 3 years ago that time they started, but now almost it's getting ready. So one of my sisters, she is my sister. We live in village, so see very hunt house. I have very small house. We don't have good house. About to reach. Now I am about to reach my friend home. Yes. Sarkarda! Yes, I completely reached here. So see my sister-in-law, she's making something. Chem bana do bhagi. Bhai do kai na. Ha? Nala se? Okare anane dum ku ko.